Talk to me, Tesla. Junior Gentle there, and one Susie Love is getting very creative, imagining she can tell the difference between mom, kamam, na momama. You didn't get it right. Mimi ndio dictionary definitions, and if you want to argue with me, don't argue with me. Go argue with your great grandfather who is not alive. All right. So after I did my research, I noticed these three nomenclatures. You see, nomenclature is the science of naming things or organisms. In my Discovery channel, I discovered there is mam, kuna kamam, and then there is mumama. I want to start with number one, which is mam. Mam, as it sounds, it could be M-U-M, all right? M-U-M. There is mom, and then there's mom. There's a difference. Mom with an apostrophe there, M-A, then apostrophe A-M. It's like madam. There's a difference, okay? Now, if you have a mom, M-U-M, that is your mother, all right? Possibly your mother or your mother-in-law, depending on how good or bad your relationship is. So mom could be the mother who has given birth to you or to your other person, or somebody that you hold with high regard. You call them with an apostrophe, ma'am, the short form of madam. Are we together? So madam and mom could be that one thing, but we are talking about mom, M-U-M. Class, are we clear? Category number two, now we are leaving mom, we are going to kamam. But before that, remember, mwalimu kuna kitu nafikiri umewacha. Now, when a man marries a woman and they are in a relationship that is thriving, and then by chance you have children together, all right? So your first mother, who is the biological mother, stops being your mother. You start referring to your partner as mom. Mom, all right? Hata wewe kama haujazaa na yeye, they can still call you mom, depending on how beautiful you've stayed together and how tender you are. So kama uko na kichwa ngumu, mom can never be your name, all right? So Susie Love X mayai kata. So let me move to kamam. Kamam is a woman you meet, and she is let's say she likes them old. Na bado kako shule, kanaweza kuwa university, kanatoa ujinga bado. Yani ile level ya kwanza, si ati juu alichelewa kusoma, but bado kanatoa ujinga. Ako ni kamam. Alafu kakipita, akana kiuno. Akana. Lakini, but she's giving you things that your mom cannot give you. That is kamam. And then she has a chewing style. So kamam akichukua in our days, kama ni Big G, siku hizi haziko. Siku hizi mnatumia nini? Lollipop. Ako hivi. Assuming this is my lollipop. This is kamam. Usijali kamam, I've been busy.
Si atonitumia tuke nikula chipo.
Okay babe, chipo.
Chipo peke, si at least uniekea Uber niende nichukue chipo.
Okay, sawa kamam, takutumia.
You are the best.
Hako ni kamam. Okay? Kajinga, chips peke yake. Metosha. Are we together? Now, category number 3. You have suffered in this world. Umejaribu kila mbinu. Hata umeombewa na Pastor War. Umeombewa na wazazi. Imefika mahali umesema, I cannot be a sharp boy, but I can sharpen my instruments of power. Tunataka nini? Rudi after me. Tunataka nini? So that one that you met, after you suffered, and then she gives you TLC. Unakaa tu hivi kidogo nakwambia, Kimani, leo umeoga kweli? Come, we are betting together. You think I'm old? You think I'm old? I can do things that your girlfriend before could not do. Are we together? So, mama ataenda kwa nyumba akuulize, Kimani, bado unataka ile PlayStation? Naambia, yes baby. Then who is your mama? Alafu naambia, it's you, mommy. Who is your mama? It's you, mommy. But Kimani, you know some things are expensive. You know what to do. Anyway, you come, we go together because sitaki ununue kitu. We are going with my car. Alafu mnaenda na gari yake. But Kimani, I think we have to go to the garage. But also, you have to check my oil. Is your dipstick still functioning? Unaambia ndio. Alafu mnaenda mnaangalia oil. Nakwambia sawa. You are a dirty boy. Kimani. You are a dirty boy. Unataka uoge. Alafu naenda mnaoga. Sasa mama anachukua sabuni, anakuosha masikio, anakuosha nywele, na kufanyia kila kitu. Huyo ndio mama. Then on top of that, hataki ukwe na girlfriend, lakini tena hataki utangaze yeye ni bwana yako ama boyfriend yake. Are we together? Are we together? So those are the 3 categories. But most important, mumama hako kategori ya tunyondo. Ako na nyondo. Na anasema maisha na maya.